Hello again. We are in lesson 4.1 of the Go Math book, and this lesson deals with estimating quotients using multiples. And when we estimate, remember, we don't give an exact answer. Hopefully, we can do it within mental math. Let's just first review a little bit of division. Division, it's like breaking apart into equal groups. We have three parts, just like in addition and multiplication. Our first number, which happens to be the highest number, is going to be called the dividend. And the second number, the one that kind of tells us how many groups we're going to build or how many in each group, that's called the divisor. And we're trying to find out the answer. And the answer in a division problem is called the quotient. Okay, once we review division, let's go with the top. The first thing that is important for you to know is that multiplication is the opposite operation of division. So if you know your timetables, then you can find the answer for a division problem. How? Well, we have 35 divided by 7, right? That's what we're trying to find. Well, think about a number that you can multiply times 7 that is going to equal 35, right? Opposite operation. Which number times 7 equals 35? Hopefully you know it. That will be 5, right? 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, I have another exercise. How about 60 divided by 6? Well, think of a number. Then when you multiply times 6, you get as an answer 60. And what will be the number? Yes, 10. So the quotient for 60 divided by 6 is 10. Okay, now we're going to start estimating. Doing the problem kind of in our heads, doing it faster than doing the actual division. And it might sound a little complicated, but it's just one of the strategies that we're going to show you in this chapter. We're going to estimate by looking at the multiples that we have and see which ones are closer. So let's look at the first exercise, 45 divided by 4. Okay, I'm going to have to look at the multiples of 4. And I'm going to start 4 times 10 just because that's kind of a closer number to my dividend, which is 45. 40 is a little bit far, so let's keep going. 4 times 11 is 44. Okay, I'm getting closer. Let me try one more. 4 times 12 is 48. That's too high. So I got 44 and 48. That means that my quotient is going to be somewhere in between 11 and 12. Do you see it? If I multiply 4 times 11, I get 44. If I multiply 4 times 12, I get 48. So my quotient is going to be between, E, Mrs. Nettles, between 11 and 12. Now, if they ask you for one of them, let's see which of the multiples here is closer to my dividend. 44 is just 1 away. 48 is 3 away. So 44 is closer. So I look at the quotient that we'll get in that case. That will be 11. So remember, since we're estimating, we say about 11. Let's try it again. About 62 divided by 5. Okay, let me start on my multiples of 5. And I'm going to start times 10. I like the 10. 5 times 10 is 50, right? Very simple. I'm still too far away. I need to keep going. So 5 times 11. And 5 times 11 is 55. Still far. So let me keep going. 5 times 12 is 60. Okay, I'm getting closer, but I need to keep going. I'm not right there at the 62. And 5 times 13 is 65. Okay, I don't have an exact answer, but I can see that 60 and 65 are the closest numbers to my dividend. And which number did I multiply times 5? Well, I multiply times 12 in here and times 13 in here. So I can say that my answer is between 12 and 13. And if you need to pick one, which one is closer, 60 or 65? Well, 65 is 3 away, 60 is only 2 away. So if you need to say one answer, it will be about 12, right? Okay, let's do one more. A little bit higher numbers. And this time is divided by 9. So I need to look at my 9 timetables. And I'm going to start, yep, I think that's the easiest one. 9 times 10. And 9 times 10 is 90. Far away, so I need to keep going. 9 times 11 is 99. I need to go higher. 9 times 12, 108. Still far away, so let's keep multiplying. 9 times 13, that will be 9 more than 108, so that is 117. Still not close, so let's do one more. 9 times 14 is 9 more than 117, so that's 126. Okay, we're here and we went over. So what do we see? I got these two numbers that are pretty close to my dividend, and the factors that I use to multiply the 9 are 13 and 14. So I can say that my answer is between 13 and 14. And if we need to choose one, which one do you think we're going to choose? Yes, 126 is closer to 124. So we're going to say that our answer is about 14. Okay, I hope that you understand. If you don't, please rewind the video, watch it again, because that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. For home learning, please try to do it. Always try your best. Try to find the quotient or estimate the quotient of 83 divided by 6 and 127 divided by 7. Until next time, bye-bye.